Now strip away the shit and feel the darkness, feel it spread. This is what it's like to be known as dead. Now open up your eyes, you see the world that is red. Now what's the word, Captain? I think I caught you lacking. There are 9 more layers that this hell's packing. No tippy tappy, bitch, I call it rippy rapping. I feel lucky I'm not you. At the top I do the do. Stuck in the fucking darkness and it's cold and hard. Having